There's squirrels fighting in the tree behind me. There's a nest in the trees behind me, and they're so fighting right now. What? No, that was a thing. Okay. I got my purse. Yep. When we go in through my purse, I'm going to show you all of the sun safety stuff that I keep with me to make sure that I am protected from the sun, from the UV rays at all times. Hi, I'm Melanoma Mom, also known as Sean. I would love for you to consider subscribing if you have been diagnosed with skin cancer or melanoma skin cancer, any of the skin cancers, or if you're just a skin care enthusiast and want to protect yourself against UV rays. This is the channel for you. I hope you'll stick around. All right, here's my purse. All right, so inside I keep, at the very top, my sun hat. And I do have a video of all my sun hats. If you want to see that, I will link it in the description box of this video. So I always have a packable sun hat ready to go. And then I've got my sunglasses. Now these are polarized and have the UV filter protection on them. These are a pair of Tory Burch sunglasses, but any polarized ones will do. Why is there a big truck behind me? Sorry, I think it's trash day and the trash person is coming. Okay, I had to turn the camera off because the trash truck was going through, as you heard it, and it just kept getting louder. All right, so in this little pouch in here, I keep this powdered sunblock, and the label is completely worn off of it, but I will link it in the description box below because I got it off of Amazon. But it is touch-up powder. So if you have makeup and you don't want to put like liquid sunscreen on top of your makeup after the 2 hours because you need to apply sunscreen every 2 hours, you just dab it on. And it's also matte, so it takes the shine away. So I carry that. And then I have the Supergoop hand screen SPF 40 because I found that when I'm driving in the car, I frequently forget to put sunscreen on my hands, and honestly a lot of sunscreens will dry your hands out or they just feel too greasy. So this is actually a moisturizer and a sunscreen in one, so I can quickly put it on, and it smells really good. It smells kind of like botanicals, but in the best way possible, if that makes sense. So this is these are clean chemical sunscreen actives, reef safe, non-irritating, no synthetic fragrance, but it does have fragrance. Yeah, so it's all chemical sunscreen, SPF 40, but I love this. So I keep a little mini in here. And then I have two lip balms that I keep in here. This one is the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm Pineapple Mint because they have a lot of good flavors, SPF 25. I love this one. I've been using the Jack Black lip balms probably 5 to 7 years. I love them so much. It's just a clear, thick, kind of has the feel of like Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and it just gives a good moisturizing feel to your lips, but it's clear and it stays on really well. But if I need a little tint to my lips, this is a new discovery in the past month. MD Solar Sciences in the color Nude Hydrating Sheer Lip Balm SPF 30. Looks like this. It's just a really great nude color. Oh, it's one. Nobody looks attractive putting on lipstick, right? Except for the beauty gurus. And it's actually moisturizing. I've tried a lot of tinted lip balms with sunscreen in them, and they can be very drying. This one is not drying. I got this one off the recommendation from Dr. Dre, the YouTuber, Dr. Dre, who's a dermatologist. She recommended this, and when I heard moisturizing and a hint of color, I bought this one. So, and then down in the very bottom of my bag is a Sun Balm SPF 50 in a little baggie. Now this frequently changes. So sometimes I'll have a mineral sunscreen in here. Sometimes I will have an all-chemical sunscreen like this Sun Balm. I always keep it in a plastic bag because the liquid stuff will leak into your purse and accidentally come open no matter what brand it is. But this is just in case I need to reapply to my legs or my feet or my arms or to my kids. I have that in there. Let me know, what sun protection do you keep in your purse or your bag? Let me know. Bye.